Huawei is a company that still divides opinion, especially with local governments. Australia have just turned down the option to use their 5G network in the country, and we've still got the security ban in the USA, and that is going to stop Google services and Play services being on the new P40 Pro. That is coming out in March. So the P40 and the P40 Pro will be coming out in March, and it looks like from new renders that we're seeing on the internet at the moment that they're going to be changing the front-facing notch camera to a double hole punch Samsung-esque front-facing selfie camera with a wide and ultra-wide lens. It's also going to be coming with a number of new colours like a black, gold and a blue merge of pearlescent glitteriness. Performance-wise, it's going to have an Octa chip at 8GB of RAM and a 5500mAh battery with fast charging. It's going to feature Android V10, but as I mentioned at the start of the video, it's not going to feature Google Play services built in. The display is looking very crispy with a 6.57-inch OLED display with Gorilla Glass and a fingerprint reader, but nothing new there. The biggest and most crowd-pleasing feature is going to be a series of new camera lenses on the back of the phone. Surprise, surprise, the manufacturer put in 100,000 lenses on the back of the phone. New cameras and new lenses doesn't necessarily make a better phone, but in this case, there's some clever software that's going to make a little bit of a difference to the Huawei P40 and P40 Pro. It's reported they're going to put a 52-megapixel camera on the back of the phone with new pixel stitching technology. This means it's going to take very good low-light photos, and effectively it's going to stitch 16 pixels into one, essentially making a 52-megapixel photo into a 3.25 megapixel photo to massively improve low light performance and lets the camera see more light. The flip side is using fewer pixels for the photographs is going to reduce detail, but for 1080p video, 3.25 megapixels is more than enough for good low light video shooting. For the photos, they're more than likely to use software to increase the detail in the photos. On top of this is going to be a zoom lens that's going to feature a 10 times zoom as well. Negatives: beware of lack of wireless charging and no IP ratings stated yet, so no jumping in the pool with this phone just at the moment, and as I mentioned before, the lack of Google Play services is a definite negative when it comes to purchasing an Android phone in 2020. All in all, it looks like a very interesting flagship phone from Huawei, and it's likely to come with a flagship price tag as well, but it will be cheaper than the upcoming Samsung S20 and the iPhone 12 or other devices that they decide to manufacture this year to combat Huawei pushing into the market. So we'll see what happens in the rest of 2020. I'll be back with more news videos soon. This was a quick episode called the Roundology Show, and I'm going to be doing more of these going forward. Just quick news, tech, kind of videos. Anyway, thanks for joining me. If you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe and press the bell so you don't miss any uploads coming up soon. Lots of big stuff coming in 2020. Thanks for watching. I'm Xander Rand. Take it easy. See you on the next one. Bye.